Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Passat headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. You'll want to gather your new headlight bulb and any basic tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, that might be needed to access the housing. Remember to wear protective gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll typically find a plastic cover or an access panel that needs to be removed, often by twisting or unlatching clips. Once that's off, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing a tab and pulling it straight back. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Passat model, it might be held in by a spring clip or a twist lock mechanism. Carefully unclip or twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the housing. Secure it by reversing the removal process, ensuring it's firmly seated. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, making sure it clicks securely into place. Then, replace the headlight assembly cover or access panel, ensuring all clips or twists are properly engaged to protect against moisture and dirt. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.